Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. I'm also fine. Struggling with unwanted page layout issues caused by section breaks in Microsoft Word? In this tutorial, Backspace shows you the exact and safe method to remove section breaks without damaging your formatting, headers, footers, or page setup. Learn how to clean up your document and regain full control of your layout in minutes. So let's get started. At first we zoom out the document and see the all page. We can see here 6 page. The sum of the page is different header. Now I double click on the header and we can see the first page is section 1, second page is section 2, and the third page is section 3. We can see here many section. Now you want to remove the all section at once, close the header and footer. Then go to the home menu, click the replace option. Then we can see here find and replace navigation bar. Now I click this more option, then select the find what option, select the special, choose section break, then select the replace, then press delete on your keyboard, then click replace all. Then we can see here all done. We made 3 replacement, then click OK, then close the window, then double click on the header and we can see here the all page is a header. This is a similar section. Now we can see we remove the section break easily. It scan the page break or the next page, continuous, even page, etc. This is all our section break. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.